Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I slick down my hair. And I say I because there's a lot of YouTube videos out there on how you slick your buns, but this is how I'm going to do it. So yeah, if you want to see me slick down this hair, then stay tuned, and I will catch you in the next clip.
Yeah.
So right now I've got these cornrows in my hair. I washed my hair last night and I just put them into 4 plaits. So I'm gonna just take them out right now and get the process started. So I'm gonna just speed this up a little bit so y'all don't have to watch me take these braids out. Like guys, I'm so proud of my hair. Like my hair has just grown so much. Like, I mean, I did a massive chop like 4 years ago. I mean, my edges are still struggling, but you know, that's okay. We're working on it. But like, hair has grown, honey. So now I'm taking my SHEA Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, and this really helps with detangling my hair. I don't like brushing my hair out whilst it's dry. I like it just a little bit moist. And I'm going to take a wide tooth comb to brush out my hair, and I always start from the ends and work my way to the root of my hair. And next I'm going to take my Tangle Teaser, and I love this brush. Like, it really just gets through all the knots and tangles in my hair. So the first step for me is conditioner, and I always use conditioner before I put my gel, as this helps prevent my hair from being crunchy and really hard. I literally just grab just a small amount and put it throughout my entire hair, and then I'm going to brush it out with my Tangle Teaser. The next step is my gel. So I always use the ecostyler, but the coconut oil version. And yes, I get the big ass tub because, sis, I be using gel all the time. But yeah, I love the coconut oil one because I love coconut oil and I just think it helps. And then to slick down my hair, I always use a brush. So I use a bristle brush, and I have the one that's 2-sided, so one with the hard side and one with the soft side, and I use both sides to slick down my hair. So again, you just want to grab a small amount to begin with and put it throughout your hair, and I'm gonna carry on doing this until I'm satisfied with the amount that's in my hair, and then I'm gonna slick it down. So carry on watching. So your hair may look white, and that's just because I've put the conditioner in my hair, but that's okay because once it dries, the white will disappear. It will just like blend in with the gel. So I'm gonna take the hard side of the brush and I'm gonna start slicking it down. So I'm gonna start brushing going up so that I can get it into the desired shape that I want it to be in. So now at this point I'm going to add more gel, but you can add as much gel as you desire. Just take a rubber band and I'm going to put it in my bun. So I'm going to add a ponytail to my hair. So for me, I'm just going to put my hair into a bun and wrap it around. Try and make it as small as possible. But obviously if you have a longer hair or you wish to not, or you don't want to use any ponytail at all, then obviously you can you know, fluff up your bun to however you desire. Next, I'm taking my Gorilla SNOT hair gel. I know there's a lot of like comments and everything about this gel. However, I love this gel. I don't use it throughout my hair. I only use it to lay down all those flyaways and baby hairs that are sticking out, as you can see. This is quite a strong gel, and that's the only reason why I use it just on top to kind of just get everything together. But as you can see, I'm only using like a small amount, and I'm going to put that on my hair and then brush my hair up again. And this is why I use my leave-in conditioner, because I know with this gel, it can leave your hair really hard and quite flaky. And next I'm just taking the soft side of the brush and I'm going to slick my hair up again. So next is my edges. Come on. This is so highly requested. Everybody's asking me, how do I do my edges? How do I do my edges? I'm going to show you how I do my edges. I'm going to take my Got2b Ultra Glue, and this is the invisible one, so it's the black packaging. And I love using this because it leaves my edges clear, and it definitely holds my edges in place through the wind and through the heat, honey. I'm going to take a pea size amount, and I'm going to take a toothbrush as well, so I can get it precisely done. So I'm just showing you, I literally just lay down 5 parts on my hair, and I'm gonna just take my brush, a little bit to the brush, and I start swooping. So I take a little bit from the front and I start swooping it to my right, and I also use my finger to lay it down at the same time. Okay, so now that my edges are done, the next stage is to lay it with my headscarf. It's so important to use a silk headscarf, as this prevents your hair from frizzing, especially if you're going to bed. It's so important to definitely use a satin or silk scarf. But yeah, I'm gonna lay this on my head for about minimum 15 minutes, but obviously I'm gonna keep this on till I finish doing my makeup, and then I'm gonna take it off and then reveal to you what my hair looks like. So guys, I'm off to do my makeup, and I will be back in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I am back, and this is what my hair looks like. I can't lie to you guys, I literally did my makeup, went to go eat, chilled for a bit, and I completely forgot that I didn't film the end result of my hair. But this is what it looks like. Usually it's frizzed up a little bit because I changed my hair literally twice, and obviously just humidity. But usually once I've laid my hair down, it literally stays slicked down for the rest of the day. I mean, it isn't that bad, as you can see. But yeah, this little bun that I've attached to my hair, I made it myself with just some kinky hair that I've had for ages. Makeup's looking a little bit different, you know, I'm trying to, you know, be creative or whatever, but but guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope it helped you. Yeah, keep on watching guys, and I will catch you in my next video, and take care everyone. Bye.